Hey guys, as you see in the picture, let's check out free cash plus free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, we have ordered some exotic fruits on Swiggy Instamart. These are international fruits. As you see here, this is avocado, which is very good for health, and even diabetic patients can have this. This will cut the fat, as you all know. You can de-seed it as shown in the picture and have them. Right now there's an offer going on Swiggy Instamart of fruits and veggies of 30% to 60% off. As you see here, this is New Zealand fruit, kiwi fruit. And often, you know, fruits are good for health, loaded with lots of vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. As you all know, especially in berries, we have rich source of vitamin C. It is good for your skin and makes you rejuvenate, right? So, as the summer is on, you can have this watermelon, and some other fruits are also available, which are quite interesting in texture and also taste. So you can check out. This is grapefruit. It's a rich source of vitamin C, as I said earlier. It boosts your immunity. You have here pears. As you see here, it is at 20% off. You can have them on Swiggy Instamart by placing the order. As you see here, this is a kind of fruit where you rarely find in villages. Let me tell you, it's not found on Swiggy Instamart. My aunt sent, so it was interesting for me to have them. It tastes sweet. You can de-seed them and have. Okay, you have here mulberries also. You can check out. If you have a fatty liver, this will cut the fat on the liver and makes you stay healthy. Now we'll check out what's a free gift. As you see here, this is date-filled cookies. So 25% of dates is being used. If you want the ingredients of these cookies, you can scan the QR code as shown in the picture. You can see here, when you crack it, you find dates. So less sugar means more healthy, right? It's time as how to add free gift on Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app. You can click on Instamart. Right on the home screen, you will see the deals starting from 19 rupees, and also you have 9 rupees deals. As you see here, you can check out and add to the cart. Here you can see 9 rupees product. You can add up and get back. Click on offers. Here the clearance sale products are at 80% off. You can add to the cart. Now go to cart. Once you does that, your free gifts are automatically added. If not added, I'll tell you in the later part of the video. Now click on apply coupon. Once you does that, you apply credit pay 100. Next, click on claim to avail free cash. After you does that, you can click on apply coupon. Click on view add-on offers. Here, 2 gifts are available from 2 stores. First, we'll check out with Nivea store. Click on view items of Nivea store. Add any product from here and go to cart. You see here, automatically 2 gifts are added up. Now, you can go to apply coupon again. You can go to cookie store as shown in the picture by clicking on view items and add up any product from the store. Go to cart. Here you can see 2 gifts added. After confirming, you can place your order. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.